Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you why French speakers are getting one of the biggest immigration advantages in Canada right now. Imagine two people applying for permanent residency. The first person has a CRS score of 515, while the second person has a CRS score of 409 only. And do you know the most shocking part? The person with 409 CRS scores can even get invited before the person with 515 CRS scores. How? I knew you were going to ask that question. Just one word: French. I have gotten so many comments in my comment section from French speakers outside of Canada asking about how they can immigrate to Canada and the advantage of speaking French. Canada needs more French speakers. Canada's 2026 French PR target is approximately 30,000 plus. And invitations issued so far this year in 2026 is about 30,500 invitations. So look at it this way. If the target for French PR for 2026 is 30,000 plus, and so far half year they've issued 30,500, it means that out of these 30,500 invitations that they've issued, almost like half of them might not submit their ITA applications. And from the number that's submitted, you will see one or two persons getting issues regarding their documentation and stuff like that. So at the end of the day, they might not even meet this target of 30,000 to land French speakers as a PR in Canada in 2026, which means there is a huge advantage here. In short, Canada wants more French-speaking people to live outside of Quebec. So Canada created special immigration opportunities for French speakers. That means if you speak French, Canada is actively looking for people like you. But the real question is, how big is this advantage? Let me show you. Let's look at the numbers. The latest French draw invited people with 409 scores, while the latest Canadian Experience class draw invited people with 515 scores. Now, if you look at the difference, that is 106 points difference. And so far this year, the lowest French score or draw that has taken place in 2026 was 393 CRS points. If you look at the difference between 393 and 515, it gives you 122 points, while the difference between the latest two scores is 106 points. So think about it. Many people spend years trying to increase their scores by maybe 20 points or even 10 points. But French speakers are getting advantage worth 100 points plus in a single draw difference. And that's only the first advantage. The second advantage is even more interesting because it can help you to get into Canada before you get your PR. This video today is centered about the problem of high CRS scores, the French advantage, and 3 ways to use the French advantage. 3 ways to use French advantage. Pathway number 1. You take the French test. You create French Express Entry profile, or you enter the Express Entry Pro. And if your French is strong, you become eligible to be invited to the French language draws. This is where those lower CRS scores become very handy and very useful. For some people, or for many people, that is the fastest and the surest route to come to Canada as a PR or to get a Canadian permanent residency. Now, let's talk about a pathway that many people have never heard about. C16 Mobility Francophone. If you get a job offer from outside of Quebec, there is a special work permit that can make hiring you easier. The important thing is not the name of the program, it is what it does. It helps French speakers to come to Canada, gain Canadian work experience, and now use that experience to apply and get permanent residence later. So that is the pathway 2. One of the 3 ways to use French advantage is this. You get a job offer, you get French work permit, which is C16 Mobility Francophone, and you come to work in Canada. After 1 year of working in Canada, you apply for PR, you get your PR. After 3 years, you get your citizenship. You can see how the flow goes. But what if you don't have a high score and you also do not have a job offer? There is still another opportunity. Pathway 3. Some provinces are actively searching for French-speaking candidates. 2 good examples are New Brunswick and Ontario. I know Ontario recently announced on May 30th that they've scrapped or deleted all the 9 pathways for their PMP program, which includes French-speaking program. Yes. But instead of competing against everyone, French speakers can qualify for provincial nominee programs. And if a province nominates you, your Canada immigration journey becomes much easier because of the additional 600 points. This is why many French-speaking applicants focus on provincial nominee programs as well as federal program or express entry. Now, let me tell you a story about my sister-in-law. She's actually an English-speaking applicant, but she decided to write French or to give it a shot. And she took the challenge. She studied French for 6 months. She passed it at a B2 level, a very good score. She updated her express entry profile. Boom, she got an ITA within 2 weeks. She submitted her PR application, now waiting for confirmation of permanent residency COPAR. That is the magical wand of French. So the pathway 3, in addition to express entry and the pathway 2 job offer that we talked about, these provinces are looking for French speakers, especially New Brunswick, because Ontario now, they've removed that program for their pathways. But New Brunswick is notoriously looking for French-speaking candidates. Here is what I want you to remember. French doesn't give you just one pathway. It gives you multiple pathways. French draws, friendly French work permits, and provincial nominee program. That is why French speakers have more options than many more applicants right now in the express entry pool. So what should you do? Your action plan this week. First, check your CRS course. Check your current CRS course to know what it is. Second, if you have not thought of learning French before, this is the right time for you to start thinking about it or to start making move about it. Third, research about TEF and TCF Canada to know which French test is good for you. 4, explore French pathways to know which of the pathways is a very good fit for your situation. Because the biggest mistake you can make is ignoring an opportunity that Canada is openly rewarding. As we can see, the latest French score on May 28, 2026 is 409. The latest CEC score is 515. This is a 106 point advantage. That is a huge difference. That is why French is one of the most powerful immigration tools in Canada right now. Let me know in the comment section. Do you already speak French? Or are you willing to learn it if it helps you get Canadian PR faster? Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. I will see you in my next video. Signing out.